Good morning and welcome back to the channel. So we've come out here to Bulli to the AMCA Antique Motorbike event here in Bulli. They hold it every year, so we thought we'll come for a ride out, check it out, and we'll take you around and show you around something a little bit different other than just where we ride. We can go to a little event, stuff like this. Nice old one. Couple of old ones. The old Hondas, can't go wrong there. Was this your first bike when you were 18? It was brand new when you were 18.
It was.
Yeah.
Original colour.
Original colour. They brought this out at your when you were born. Oh no, they brought this out when you just got your license, didn't they? The old Indian. And, you know what they say about Indians, don't you? I'm not going to say it, but go and watch Cole from Geelong Harley. He tells you exactly what Indians are like.
I mean, I've only got to run it right because I had
You're right. Ford Motorco. What a beast. Looks like a Harley front end on it too. fucking hell. Turk thinks there's Harleys here with pedals. He was telling me earlier, it's actually the Kickstarter. Electric. How fucking patina that is. That is awesome.
They got the original oil.
You think that's got lithium battery?
Yeah. No, that doesn't have a lithium battery, Nemec. Nemec, we want to ride these ones to Tassie?
Yeah.
100% dude, I'd ride that
In
Tassie.
the rain, whatever, not a problem.
They fucking go. They just become a bit slippery.
Tasmania's all downhill anyway from here.
It just might be a bit slippery, bro. Go on, Nemec. Go and spin the wheel.
Spin the wheel. Alright, spin the wheel.
Might be helpful.
Get a flat
A lolly bag.
That's right, just what I needed.
Don't discriminate here.
Oh, key ring.
Oh, there you go. You can pick from any of those.
This one's here.
Rally, the motorcycle.
I'll go for Rally.
Rally's always.
So that's it. We walked around. Shitload of bikes turning up now though. Done a couple of deals. Walked away with brand new tyre. So now just waiting for the wife to come to pick up the tyre so we can keep riding. So don't know where we're going, but we'll go somewhere. So that was another little quick one. Just went out to the Bulli, out to the AMCA annual antiques motorcycle show, I think it's called. Sorry if I've got that wrong, but it was great. Nice out there. A lot of nice old bikes out there. A lot of old choppers. If you haven't been, you got to come and see it for yourself. Excuse me. It's really good. Then we just went for a ride up to Bald Hill with a couple of friends, had some lunch, and now we're home. So don't forget, give me a like, subscribe, and comment if you stayed this far. I'm sure you can do that. And just remember, keep them turtles twisted, keep the rubber side down, and I'll see you on the next one. I think I've got to clean my bike. Some of the roads are a bit wet.